Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add another phone to Find My iPhone. If you want another iPhone to appear in the Find My app so you can locate if it's ever lost, to get started, open the setting. And over here you need to tap to your Apple account name at the top of the screen and then select Find My. Over here, make sure Find My iPhone is turned on for the best protection and also select My Location over here. And if the phone uses the same Apple account as other Apple devices, it will automatically appear in the Devices tab of the Find My. And if the phone is signed in with a different Apple account, you can still locate it by setting up family sharing. You can go back and select and search for the family sharing at the bottom and select set up family sharing in the top. And over here, you need to follow the on-screen instruction and continue it. And after that, you can invite the other Apple account to join your family group. And after the invitation is accepted, make sure location sharing is enabled on the other iPhone. And after that, you need to go back again and select Find My. And over here, you need to tap the devices here, sign into your Apple account. And if you're viewing the location of a family member who is sharing the location with you. And that is it. That's how you can add another phone to Find My iPhone. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.